Is Fortnite's parental control holding you back from enjoying the game to its fullest? Whether you are looking to change settings or remove restrictions altogether, understanding how to navigate the Epic Games launcher can be crucial. So, in this guide, we're going to show you how it's done. Click the three bars or the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then click your avatar icon. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click account. All right, and basically in the account you're going to be able to notice your account settings. Click right here, account settings at the top. You're going to be able to see a pop-up window. Click the parental controls and then enter the passcode. Right, not we enter the passcode. Okay, and basically I can control the settings from here. Right, if I want the games to be rated at PG, PG-13, from 18 plus. All right, or I can go ahead to the social permissions right here to require PIN to add Epic friends. In Epic voice chat, you can control it from here in the text chat permissions, and you're gonna be able right here to see the email preferences for marketing and the Fortnite settings right here, and you can control the age limit to enter the PIN before playing the game. All right, here Unreal Engine for Fortnite, mature language, filter out mature language in the Epic text game, and receive weekly playtime tracking reports if you wanted to. And basically that's it. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.